In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Privacy section. Now click on Privacy next to Permissions at the top and click on App Lock. Then, in order to activate it, select this gray sweater next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password, in order to continue, you need to set it up. You can do that from here by tapping on Settings in the pop-up, clicking on Use a different password type, and selecting the best one for your apps. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Now create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here, you need to set up your recovery email just in case if you forget your privacy password. And save it by clicking on Confirm. Then answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, select Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. In order to save it, select Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner. Now finally you can lock all of those apps by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. I will go with Chrome and Clock. So when I go back and try to access one of them, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, access exactly the same settings. So Devices Settings, Privacy, Privacy again, and App Lock. Enter your privacy password and click on the same no blue switchers next to your apps. To switch off App Lock completely, select this blue switcher next to it. But in order to delete your privacy password, enable App Lock first. Click on this gear at the top right corner. Click on Privacy Password, enter it, and then choose Turn Off Password. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. And last but not least, enter it one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!